how should the tech industry move forward with AI, given the carbon drain associated, also the potential carbon costs that could be imposed by the government, etc. This is a big topic for the industry. And yeah, so we'll start with you, Anthony.
It really is a big topic. And there's some history lessons that can help us here. I guess if I summarize in one word, it's selectively, right? We need to be selective in our use of technology, and particularly things like AI. If you think back to cloud and even data centers in general, we know that a lot of people went all in on cloud, and a lot of people now are locked into high costs, and actually a lot of cloud services aren't as efficient potentially as some on-site services, but it's much more muddled and unclear than that. So we're in a situation where we don't really understand the impact of what cloud, but also AI impacts, right? We don't actually understand all the data. So what we really need is sort of a measured and targeted approach. I would not recommend you try and push everything into AI, because you're likely just to waste huge amounts of computing power and produce tons of CO2. Just like in cloud, one of the things we really is missing is this transparency. The internet is full of cat videos and comedy videos that arguably are of little positive use to society. And the same will also be true with AI. There's lots of use cases that have massive value. Creating new antibiotics is crucial to the survival of our species. But, creating more random videos generated by AI using huge amounts of compute power and producing loads of carbon, arguably much less so. So I think it will come down to how do we ration it? And if I'm honest, that's not something we've been terribly good with in technology so far.